Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to upload high quality stories in your Instagram account. So to upload high quality pictures, first you need to go to your settings. Now you need to turn your Wi-Fi off. You must need to turn off your Wi-Fi if you are using a poor connection, and turn on your mobile data. You see, you need to turn on your mobile data. Now you need to check if your Instagram application is updated or not. So you need to go to your Play Store, and here you need to search for Instagram. Then you have to update your application. After updating it, you need to open your Instagram app, and then you have to click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner and click on this 3-bar icon and click on settings. Here you can see account. You need to click on that, and here you can see cellular data use. Tap on here. Now you need to turn this feature off, data saver. You need to toggle this off, and media upload quality, here you must need to turn it on. Upload at highest quality. That's all, you're all set. Now you need to upload any story in Instagram and it will be in good quality like this. This is very simple process. That's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe.